Hey guys, my name is Yan Sikorski. Top 7 ideas for the next market session today, but first of all, like as usual, let's see how my previous ideas work out. On the previous recommendation, I've recommended you short euro-dollar when the price hold below 1.1250. As you can see, price held below on Friday of this level and hit my first target around 1.1180. Another idea was in the pound USD. Look at the pound USD. I recommended you short pound USD when price hold below 1.25. As you can see, price held below 1.25 at Thursday and hit my first target around 1.2450 and also hit the second target around 1.24. Another idea was in Aussie USD. In Aussie USD, I recommended you short Aussie USD when the price hold below 0.69. As you can see, price held below 0.69 on Friday. Also, price tried to hold below 0.69 Thursday. And finally, on the Friday, price hit my first target around 0.6820. Another idea was in oil. I recommended you short oil. As I said, when price formed false breakout of important resistance level around 39. It will be a great opportunity to take a short, first target 37.50, but as you can see here, price not formed false breakout, that's why no entry points in oil. Another idea was in gold. As I said, I was pretty bullish in gold, and as I said, when the price hold above 17.32, it was a nice opportunity to take a long trade. First target in this case around 17.45. As you can see, price hit my first target on Friday. Another idea was in mRNA stocks. This is Moderna company who tried to develop vaccine of coronavirus. And my main idea was when the price hold above $68 per share. Long the stocks, first target 70, second target $74 dollar per share. But as you can see, price still hold below this level. That's why I want to say if these stocks on this trading session try to hold above, you can long these stocks. Targets, first target 70, second target $74 per share. Another idea was in Facebook company. As I said, when the price hold above 225, it was nice opportunity to take a long. First target will be 240. As you can see, price hit my first target. Well, right now let's move on to today's ideas. In today's ideas, let's start with euro-dollar. Right now, price stay inside important level around 1.1220. That's why it pretty depends on how price will be react for this level. I mean, if you can see how price was an impulsive from breakout of this level, then pullback, fractal, it will be a nice opportunity to take a long. In this case, the first target will be around 1.1260. The same if we can see how price from false breakout of this level and hold below 1.1220. You can short it. And in this case, the first target will be around 1.1180. Another idea in the pound USD, just I want to say the same picture like in euro. Right now, price in an important level around 1.2450. That's why we have to wait how price will react for this level. If price formed reversal model here, it will be nice opportunity to take a short. In this case, the first target will be around 1.2350. And if price was an impulsive from breakout of this level, then pullback, fractal, you can long. And in this case, the first target will be around 1.25. Another idea in gold. Look at gold right now. Price tries to hold above important level around 70.45. But if we go into the lower time frame, here we can see important consolidation. Price falling down with an impulsive from this consolidation. That's why we have to wait how price will react for this consolidation. There are two options. The first one, if price go inside to this consolidation and form reversal model here, you can short it, and in this case the first target will be around 17.35, I want to say. But if you can see how price was an impulsive from breakout of this important consolidation, then pullback, fractal, you can long, and in this case the first target will be around let me show you on a higher time frame where you will be first target. Your first target will be around 17.65. Here your first target in gold. Another idea in oil, like I'm looking at oil right now, and I can see how price stay in important resistance level around $40 per contract. If I go to the lower time frame, like M15 time frame in this case, I can see how price stay in consolidation. That's why I have to wait how price will break for this consolidation. I mean, if you can see how price with an impulsive down from breakout of support, then pullback, fractal, I can short it, and my first target in this case will be 37.50. But also, if I can see how price with an impulsive from breakout of resistance, then pullback, fractal, I can long it, and my first target will be around. Let me open H1. My first target will be around $41 per contract in this scenario. Activision Blizzard stocks. These stocks on a previous session hit all-time high, not only a 52-week high, but I say, and right now I can see how price stay in important consolidation. Look on M15 time frame. On a previous session, price from breakout of this consolidation. Look at volume. Breakout was with a spike volume. That's why I expect that the price, if price hold above on this session, this level, you can long these stocks. The first target in this case will be $78 per share. Another idea in HOLX, Holdjik Incorporated. Look at higher time frame like H1 time frame. In this case, we can see important resistance level around $55 per share. If price break this, level, price start to hit all-time high. That's why if you can see breakout of this level, you can long these stocks. And in this case, the first target will be around $58 per share. Another idea in CDNS, as you can see on the previous session, have a look on M15 time frame. As you can see in the previous session, stocks try to hit all-time high, but nothing has happened, and price formed false breakout with unusual volume. These stocks formed false breakout of all-time high with unusual volume. This is a pretty bearish signal. That's why if you can see how price hold below $92 per share, the $92 level, you can short the stocks. And in this case, your first target will be around $90 per share. This is your first target. The second target around $88 per share. Well, this is all for today. I hope you enjoy, and see you in the next video, guys. Bye.